Welcome to Tibooburra. Located at the far northwestern edge of New South Wales, near the meeting point of three states, Tibooburra is a small outback town surrounded by the vast landscapes of corner country. Known proudly as the capital of corner country, Tibooburra takes its name from an Aboriginal word meaning heaps of rocks. The region holds a rich history of pastoral life, gold mining and exploration. In particular, Charles Sturt, who dragged a heavy wooden whaleboat from Adelaide expecting to find and navigate an inland sea. Sadly, without success. With Sturt National Park on its doorstep, the area is defined by wide horizons, striking granite outcrops and plenty of space and quiet. The community boasts two pubs, a couple of fuel stations, a small school, a medical centre, visitors centre, a caravan park, 3 motels and a 62-year-old church. On Sunday, May the 10th, 2026, a team of 14 began arriving in town with the goal of refurbishing the church to provide residents with a renewed space for services and gatherings. Leading this project was Therese from Frontier Services, an agency of the Uniting Church providing support to people living in rural and remote Australia. Working alongside Therese was the Flying Padre, Pastor David, who works as a minister for the Uniting Church and operates the Broken Hill Flying Patrol. He covers over 200,000 square kilometres of the outback in his Cessna 182 to deliver pastoral care and practical support to isolated communities.
In Tibooburra, working hard behind paintbrushes, brooms and cleaning gear to give the church a new lease on life. Therese Clancy from Frontier Services and the Flying Padre Reverend David Shrimpton are behind the project.
And you look at the church and you go, it's looking a bit sad, a bit unloved. And I noticed when services held in it in the past, I haven't held a service here, but we'll be holding one on Sunday, this coming Sunday, while we're all up here, and hopefully we'll aim to continue that on a bi-monthly basis.
We actually have in the group, we've got people from Adelaide, Brisbane, northern suburbs of Brisbane. We've got people from southwest Sydney, and got David, myself as well, and we've also got people from the northern suburbs of Sydney. So we've got a lot of people who are keen to have an opportunity to visit the far west and the corner country, but also to do something to support the community while they're out there as well. And I think that's probably
Amazing to see the team there on site, a team of 12. That was Therese Clancy from Frontier Services and the Flying Padre Reverend David Shrimpton speaking there. They're in Tibooburra right now as the Church of the Corner, which was established in 1963 by the, as it was known then, the Australian Inland Mission, now Frontier Services, and gets a new lease on life. The service this weekend, and they're well and truly putting hammer to nail and getting the job done there to revamp it for many, many decades to come. All the best to the team at Tibooburra.
Hi Wendy.
Do you want to lick the spoon?
Thank you.
Spicy apple.
On Friday, the weather was looking good, so most of the team took a drive out to Cameron Corner, 140 k's from Tibooburra. It's where 3 state borders meet: New South Wales, Queensland and South Australia. The team worked incredibly hard on Saturday to have the inside of the church ready for the service on Sunday.
On this wet, almost wintry day. How good is that? We are the young, our lives are a mystery. We are the old who yearn for your face. We have been sung throughout. Praise us through thy glorious throne. Glory, glory,
On Monday and Tuesday, there were a few final tasks needed to complete the project. Putting up the fence, a few more repairs, cleaning, packing up, and finishing off the painting. We even had a happy dance from Michael and Marg after a mammoth effort with the ceiling. Wednesday marked the end of our Tibooburra trip as we headed to Broken Hill by air and road to go our separate ways. And here's our final shot of the fresher looking Church of the Corner. Thank you Therese, Padre David and the crew for a fabulous 10 days of hard work, cooperation, fun, music, delicious food and a great sense of accomplishment.